Hello everyone. Here I will talk about some of my custom commands. I use them on a daily basis to simplify my terminal life. So the first set of commands are used to extract file paths, folder paths, or specific field of a file. The second set of commands deal with the most recent files, because in practice, that's likely the files we are interested in. Okay, let's see some examples. So those files are simple shell snippets, and I put them in a local bin directory. And they are all executables. So let me show you what it does first. So if I just do RR, it copies the current path to a current directory to the clipboard. So Apple V will just show that path. And if I do RR some file name, and I do Apple V, it will give you the full path of that file. So why do I want to do this? This is because in GUI programs, oftentimes you need to put in the folder name or file name. But it will be kind of a pain to choose them, say, this way. Like you need to go somewhere and manually pick them. So in this case, there's a shortcut, which is Apple Shift G. And then you can type in the path or the folder directly. So you don't need to manually choose or type in anything. Okay. So let me explain a little bit of how it works. So you can see here we will switch on the number of arguments. If there's no argument, we get the current path, get rid of the end line break, and then copy to clipboard. This PB copy is specific to Mac. So in the second case, if there is one argument, we will get the full link, full path, and then get rid of the line break and then copy. This gread link is the GNU version of read link. I use this because on Mac, read link doesn't behave the standard way. If you use Linux, you can just use read link. Okay, the next command I want to show you is the ff command. So you can see this is a thin wrapper over AWK. So for example, let's see this file. So suppose I just do ff1, we will get the first column. If we do ff2, we'll get the second column. We can also do other arc parameters, say nf, number of fields. That means the last column. So we'll see OK and ZZ. And this is because last column means OK here, and it means ZZ for the second line. Okay, now let me show you the SS command. This is also a thin wrapper over AWK. It basically just add up different lines, a specific column of different lines. So let's see this file. It has different numbers there. And if we pass it to SS1, we get the sum of the first column. SS2, the sum of the second column. And SS number of fields, also the sum of the second column. Okay, the next one I want to show you is the, say, BT command. Okay, I can just show you what it does. So let me also show you what my what my LL command is. So usually in my LL command, I will show in human readable form, which refers to this file size, and then in reverse order, and in sort by time. So the the file at the lowest position is the latest file, and this is the second latest, etc. So oftentimes you run a command which produces an output, and you want to see that output. So at that time, you know you want to see the latest, and you may not want to type the full name. So you can just do BT. It will get to the latest. It will just access the latest file. Sometimes the file you're interested in might not be the latest one, but say maybe it's this one. It's relatively new, but not the latest. So in that case, you can do BT, say 5. It will trigger FZF, and then you can choose. Say we want to test. So you can also get there pretty fast. Okay, now let me show you how I implemented. It's very simple. You do bat, sort by time, get the top one. So that's the no argument case. If there is one argument, you just pick a number of them and use FZF to choose. Okay, so CT and VT are very similar. We just change the first the program. Just change the program. So if say VT5 and we want to edit this log file, we can do it pretty easily. Okay, that's what I want to show you for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.